I'm looking a little rough, but that's okay. I am getting ready for my shoot today. I'm gonna go buy some stuff that I need. I can't really tell you guys much about the shoot because I don't know when I'm gonna be able to show you guys the images, but I will show you guys the concept of it, and then maybe once I get the approval, I can insert a clip of the photo. So right now I just pulled up to the flower shop. I also have to go to Target to get some milk because I am going to be doing this really cool concept that Jovan put together for me to shoot for a brand. I'm gonna be in the tub with like coconut water-ish, and then we're gonna put flowers, and it's gonna be like a really dope beauty shot. That's what I'm getting ready for today. Anthony was so cute. He made me coffee and took it to my room. It was a little too sweet because he put too much creamer in it, but it's the thought that counts, so I'm just gonna drink it. I poured a little bit more coffee in there, but he's the cutest.
I feel like any of the roses that are just really light.
Okay, so those right there.
Those other pink ones are really dark.
So those, they have these right here too. We're getting the flowers ready. We got some pastel, or what are these, peach roses, and then we're getting some white roses. So I just finished doing my makeup for the shoot. I didn't do anything to my hair because my hair is going to be in the water, so there's no point of me doing anything to my hair. And they hung up. So yeah, so there's no point of doing anything to my hair, so that's why it's like up. It's gonna be wet in the tub, and yeah, that is pretty much it. First we're gonna eat. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna eat because it's so good. So I ordered ceviche. Here's the cooked one, and this is the raw one. My favorite is the raw. We're about to eat this. This one is from Mariscos El Chuy. It's so good. My mouth is watering just looking at this. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I was completely exhausted yesterday after my shoot. I didn't get a chance to do anything else. I didn't want to pick up a camera. I just wanted to go to sleep. Honestly, being a model is like really exhausting, and on top of that, my neck was hurting so bad from trying to hold myself up in the water. So with that being said, I'm gonna insert the final shots of the photo shoot already on Instagram. I was able to post them today. I hope you guys enjoyed that little behind the scenes quarantine photo shoot at home. Honestly, you sometimes just gotta do with what you got. My good friend Eric was sweet enough to come and shoot me here at home. And shout out to Ponyboy for just being so creative and having a vision with everything. Like, I told him what I was doing and he was like, oh my god, I envision you in like coconut water, holding the bottle, just super soft makeup. So his vision just came together. But yeah, that's pretty much all I did yesterday is prep for the shoot. And then today I have my little nephew, which you guys will see in a second. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna have like a super chill day today because I have him. I'm still a little tired, but aside from that, I think we killed that shoot. So let me know if you want more videos like that also in the comments down below, because Pony Boy and I just like have so many ideas. Sometimes we're on the phone and I'll be like wrapping up me filming a look or taking pictures, and he sees something, he's like, wait, pose again, or do this again, or get on top of this. Like, he just has a vision when it comes to like just everything. So when he sees something, like, I just have to trust him, and I have. So if you guys want to see like a behind the scenes shoot with me and Pony Boy, just to like see what his vision is, let me know in the comments down below, because he's just so talented. Honestly, like, I feel like he is, nobody really understands him, and I was one of them. I was one of those people that would like question when he would say something until he would show me, because I am a visual person. So in order for me to understand something, I have to like see it for myself. But now when he says something, I'm just like, I'm gonna just shut up and just let you do you, and I just have to trust that it's going to look great, and every single time it does. So like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see like a behind the scenes. We do everything via FaceTime, as you guys saw in the clip. He was on top of my bathroom where the little rail was, so he can see everything that was happening, like kind of direct the shoot. And that's pretty much how we do it. So again, let me know. I'm gonna go downstairs and take care of my little nephew, Kason. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
Eggs.
Eggs and what else?
And sauce.
Is it yummy?
Uh-huh.
And then we got this one working out here with his pink socks. I love your outfit. Did you get dressed in the dark? Is this your workout gear?
I just wore whatever.
What are you working on right now?
My planks and push-ups.
All right, let's see it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 19, 19, 20.
Show them how you do your push-ups.
Okay.
We've been working on push-ups because it's really hard for him to do a full push-up. Okay, good job. Good job. Look at you. Okay. See you, Anthony. So I wanted to show you guys what I ordered for Anthony. He has a lot of congestion on his nose. I don't know what it is. Let me show you guys. Let me show them your nose. So I don't know if you guys can see all of these little bumps that he has. Don't make that face. So I bought him the Unique Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Massage Facial Sponge. This is what it looks like. This is what I use when I wash my face. And so the lighter side is a lot softer than the darker side. This one really exfoliates your skin. So I'm going to show you guys how I have been teaching him to wash his face. And he's also using the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser by Ulla Henriksen. This is great for any skin type. Go ahead and wet your face. Okay, so wet it a little bit. We're going to put a little bit of the cleanser.
Is it orange?
Yep. Now go
Oh
ahead.
my god.
Pineapple peaches. Pineapple peaches, pineapple peaches, pineapple peaches.
Stop.
Dab it on the other side too. There you go. Good job. Okay, now it starts. Now start scrubbing.
I might wet it a lot.
Okay. Yep. Go into a circular motion like this.
Wax on, wax off.
Okay, Karate Kid.
Wax on, wax off.
Harder surface, and then you are going to, no, just your nose. You're gonna use that part only on your nose, and you're gonna go like this. Look, give it to me. Okay, so what you're gonna do, rub it on your nose, and then you're gonna feel it a little harder. Do you feel the difference?
Yeah. Yes, Mom.
Okay, so you're just gonna.
Every time when I wash my face, do you do this part?
Every time I wash my face?
No, I wash your face. You wash my, like I wash my face and then you just do this part for me?
Oh, no. You're gonna do, you mean, I'm confused. You're gonna only do this twice a week with your nose. But you see how you need to really exfoliate all of that nasty, gooey stuff, especially since you are outside all the time. All of that dirt that is on your face, you need to cleanse it out. Okay.
The one on my nose.
So for moisturizer, we're gonna use this Skin Fix Barrier Plus cream. So go ahead and grab some of that, and then just lather it on your face.
Wait, do you want me to just go like?
Yep. Then grab your other hand and just the other way, outwards. Yep, there you go. There you go. Yeah, there, no, the other way. There you go.
Why does it smell like mint from Chile Verde? Chile Verde. Good as new.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hey everyone, so I've been a little MIA on here because I have had a lot going on. I am in Vegas for work. It's so crazy because it was like so last minute, but we're here. And I haven't worn makeup, but the reason why I wanted to jump on here, not only to like say hi to you guys and just basically show you guys what my skin looks like, because I uploaded a video on Wednesday on shaving my face, and this is the first time that I've done my makeup since I've shaved my face. So I wanted to just jump on here and show you guys what my face looks like. It is so crazy, the difference that I see with my foundation on. My foundation looks incredible. Recommend everyone to shave their face, but you definitely have to do your research if you have sensitive skin, because we wouldn't want you breaking out. And then just make sure that you take all the precautions if you are going to attempt to do it. So this will probably be the last time you guys will see me on here because we have a lot going on this weekend. So you guys all stay safe. I definitely have my mask because even though I have my makeup on, I also am wearing a mask. I don't know if you guys can see, but it already has makeup on it. I am not playing around. I am taking all the precautions. I got hand sanitizer, I got Lysol, I have Lysol wipes, I have multiple masks, and the hotel that we're staying at also has masks as well. We have hand sanitizer, and they provided us with extra masks as well. They definitely are taking all the precautions themselves, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog and enjoyed that mini photo shoot that I shared with you guys in the beginning of the week, and that is it. I will see you guys next Sunday.